CFTC Commissioner warns of parallel themes to the 2008 financial crisis in the crypto market. Another leader at the Commodity Futures Trading Commission is urging for more regulatory power over crypto market. Christy Goldsmith Romero, a CFTC commissioner, warned of increasing contagion risk in crypto markets in a speech in New York yesterday. The vulnerabilities seen during this beginning of what some call the crypto winter warn of growing intra-market risks with parallel themes seen in 2008, she said. Her comments referred to the financial crisis caused in parts by opaque swaps markets, while pointing to calamitous market events like the collapse of stablecoin Terra USD and private fund 3 Arrows. Just a regulator could not see the true exposure risk in 2008 due to unregulated companies and products. We cannot see that today with unregulated crypto markets.